Do you know what an annoying sound is? No? Well, I'm going to tell you a little about this. Pay attention and you will discover what is the sound that bothers you. There are many sounds that can be annoying to the ear, although sometimes they cannot be avoided. A sound can bring us peace, good memories, make an unforgettable moment, but it can also cause serious discomfort. Certain noise can be unpleasant to the human ear due to the transformation of negative emotions in the area of the brain that process sounds in the auditory cortex. When talking about the most annoying noises, you can remember many throughout your life and you will surely have unpleasant sensations. Even by naming them, you can feel how your body shudders. This is a compilation of the 10 sounds you will not want to hear. The sound of a fork touching a porcelain plate. The scrape of chalk against a blackboard. The contact of the nails on a blackboard. The detuning of a microphone. An electric drill against a wall. The noise of rusty chains. The cry of a baby, oh my god. The brakes of a train. A car alarm is very terrible. And the last, the explosion of a balloon.
One of the diseases caused by this type of noise is misophonia, which is a neurological pathology where the person what suffers from it does not tolerate almost any specific sound. A missing interpretation in the central nervous system can be caused by the annoying sound. We recommend taking care of your hearing health and avoiding frequent, frequenting spaces where unpleasant noise originates. All these sounds cause an unpleasant effect on the human body. Unfortunately, they occur very frequently during our daily routine, especially in the hurried lifestyles. Why are some sounds unpleasant to hear? It is likely that at some point you have asked yourself this question, and the factor that most influences whether a sound is unpleasant for the ear is surprising. Yes, as you read, sounds that are uh, annoying to the human ear are characterized by being very high pitched. This is due to the high intensity and frequency of sound waves. So, as a result, we tend to run away from the sound sources. Although it may seem insignificant, constantly listening to annoying noise can cause health problems.